Welcome back to our new defense. Today we are going to talk about notification setting, and today's topic is how to on notification app notifications, guys. Apps, all apps notification, guys, you want to on. So guys, you can on. Let's see, guys, how to on it. So before starting with friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So first of all, we will have to on our phone setting. So we will on it. Then guys, we will have to click on apps and notification setting. So I will click here. Guys, click on notifications and guys, see all. So by which app, guys, you want to notification? Example for Gmail, Chrome, YouTube, Gboard notification, guys, Google notification you want to on, Play Store notification, guys, you want to on, Netflix notification, guys, contact notification, guys, you want to on. So I contact, guys, which app, guys, you want to on, like YouTube Music, guys, you want to notification, guys, which app, guys, you can see from here, and guys, you want to on. So guys, you can on. So I hope friends, we have understood how to on. Yes guys, contact notifications. Then guys, come back. So I hope friends, we have understood how to on apps notifications in Vivo phone, and guys, how to use it in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.